Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this Friday. Our first alert weather day continues. It is hot and steamy as you step outside, and we're expecting strong and severe storms to develop here within the next couple of hours. Right now in Fargo, overcast skies have taken hold, 90 degrees. So our temperature has dropped a couple of degrees in the last few hours as cloud cover has continued to increase. Moorhead 90 degrees as well. Wind in Fargo still out of the south at 24 miles per hour. Still holding on to those 90s in the Southern Valley, right at 90 in Bemidji, Detroit Lakes, Wadena, and in Fergus Falls. It's 95 in Oaks, 87 up in Grand Forks, cooler in Langdon, where we have a current temperature of 81 degrees. Satellite and radar still increasing clouds, but we still have plenty of moisture to work with our humidity. That is increasing our heat index. So it still feels like 107 degrees in Oaks at this hour. Feels like 100 in Sisseton, and we're going to keep that heat and humidity. So if you have any outdoor plans this evening, be sure to find shade or air conditioning whenever you can. Drink plenty of water, non-caffeinated beverages. If you tend to overheat or if you start to overheat, find a cool shower right away. Cool off as quick as you can. We still have some gusty winds in Lakes Country out of the south, but notice in parts of eastern North Dakota, that wind has shifted northwesterly. We have a cold front starting to move its way through the Red River Valley, and right along that cold front is where I'm expecting some storms to start to bubble up. So let's get a look at the risks and timing of our severe weather threat for tonight. From around 6 o'clock through midnight is the prime time for the storm development. Areas shaded in yellow under a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe by the Storm Prediction Center. And any of these storms that form have the potential of 1 3/4 inch hail. That's the size of a golf ball. Hail up to 70 miles per hour. Tornado threat is low. And as for flooding, some of these storms could pack a punch with some heavy rainfall leading to localized flooding. So here's a look at the timing. We're going to continue to see increasing clouds for many areas across the Southern Valley and into northwestern Minnesota this evening. And as that front continues to slice through our hot, humid air, it's right along that I'm expecting those storms to fire. And they continue until about midnight or so. Then they start to lose their strength, become non-severe through the overnight hours. But I still expect scattered showers and thunder showers through our Saturday morning. Waking up tomorrow morning, still some thunderstorms expected in the far Southern Valley, primarily south of our viewing area. Generally non-severe, though some could be on the stronger side with continued wind and hail. But for the first half of our Saturday, if you have any outdoor plans, be sure to pack the rain jacket or the umbrella. It's going to be off to a damp start, and we'll continue to see some scattered rain showers throughout the majority of our day, drying up a little bit in the evening. As for rainfall potential, some areas still have that risk of 1 to 2 inches of rainfall with these storms. Isolated areas could see even higher, greater than 2 or even 3 inches of rainfall. So localized flooding will be a concern for tonight. The same cold front that's going to spark off those storms brings a huge change in our temperatures tomorrow. Check out this, a snapshot of your hometown forecast, 5 o'clock. It's a fall day. It looks like a fall day and will kind of feel like that as well, with fairly cloudy skies, a few passing rain showers, and temperatures mostly in the 60s. We warm up a little bit for Sunday with a few spotty showers here and there. Most will remain dry. Sunshine returns Monday, but we're still on the cool side. And then into next week, finally back into the 80s, not quite so hot from where we're sitting today. And Mike, overall, it's looking drier as we head into next week.
I think that's more comfortable.
I
Warm,
think so too.
but not overly warm.
Yeah, still nice to find some shade or jump in the pool.
Yes. Thanks, Summer. Coming up next on Valley News Live at 5, which major airline is cutting the number of flights?